What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be doing exactly what the title says. We're going to be taking out zip ties and replacing them with screws to make it a bit more permanent. So as you can see, the zip ties are still in here. I told you on a previous video that I would take them out because I don't really like the look of them. You see the bands and the tabs are sticking down. I could cut off the tabs, but that's not going to change the fact that you can see the bands. So screws will be better because you'll only be able to see the head of the screw. And down here is the major one that I want to remove. That one really doesn't look very good. There's like 8 zip ties on this. And there's some that you probably didn't even notice. Like there's one over here. And they're just here to keep everything in place while I just built the cage and see if everything flows nicely before making it all permanent. So today we're going to be using some different screws. Just different sizes. This big bolt right here is for the big 2 pieces of wood, obviously. And if you guys are wondering, it's pretty hot down here, so you might see me sweating, and I can't really help that. So we're going to put you guys on a time lapse maybe, because I'm sure you don't want to see me screwing in wood for that long. So we'll see. Oh, and Rex is in the tub right now because we don't want him bothering us like he did in the last video. I'm sure you all saw that. It's not that big of a problem, but we'll just get to the video right now. So here we go on the first one. Forgot a garbage bag here just to catch all of the wood shavings that are going to come out of this. Now I'm keeping this screw out a little bit so I can remove it properly, and because it provides me a chance to put plants on that side of the cage. Whoops. I'm going to keep this one on here because it is keeping this vine in place. So now we're going to do the upper ones. So guys, we're just going to take a break and check on Rex. So as you guys can see, he's just sitting in the bathtub. And I put him in warm water, which helps with shedding. The warm water really loosens up the skin. He was splashing around a few minutes ago, but he thinks it's time to come out. I give them a bath maybe every week. But anyway, just a quick video, and we should go back to the cage right now. So my drill just ran out of battery, so we're going to touch up the cage a little bit because it'll take about 20 minutes to charge, which it won't take that long for you guys, but I'll use that time to actually be productive. So as you can see, water dragons destroy plants because of their sharp claws. So you can only imagine if I had live plants what would happen. I used to have live plants in here, but they totally ripped them to shreds. So I just took them out because there's no point in destroying a perfectly good live plant. So as you can see, I still have some zip ties for these branches back here because I'm not going to screw them. That's a really awkward angle to screw them in. But I put this branch in, like I said in the previous video. I wanted to have something to go up in this direction because they look kind of bare. So now I have that, and all the screws are in. Some of them were a bit difficult to put in. As you can see on the video, I'm not going to really cut those out. So we're going to go check on Rex again, and we'll see what he's up to. So as you can see, he's still in the same position almost. He doesn't move around here very much if he's in here for a long time, which he has. So we're just going to take him out, put him back in the cage, and then we'll just wrap up the video. As you can see, he goes straight over to the heat source. He's probably just drying off because there was warm water in there, so he's probably not that cold. But we'll leave him to do that, and we'll just wrap up the video here. I'll give you guys a shot of them screws. There's a few more zip ties in here, but at least we got rid of the ones that were really obvious. But anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Post down below. Tell me what you guys think about the screws. I think they look a lot better instead of the zip ties, but I'll leave it up to you. So I'll see you in the next video.